Okay. Is this thing on? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Right now, it's time for the last number of the evening. Right. It's been a terrific evening, isn't it? Great. Okay, so will you welcome back on stage, please, Mr. Neil Dunn and Mr. Bob Fenton. Yeah!
I saw the bird of peace the other day, flying through the sky, pursued by people who hate him. They took their guns and shot him down. I found the bird of peace on the ground and ate him. Oh, bird of peace, you tasted real good. I had you with mint sauce. All my friends ask me how I feel. Well, I feel peaceful, of course.
I saw the butterfly the other day, flying through the sky, over the hills and valleys it floats. And so I stopped and cried out to the butterfly of love as he flew straight down my throat. Oh, butterfly of love, you tasted real good. I didn't need to cook a vegetable. Oh, my friends asked me if I felt warm, but the difference you made was negligible.
Please, Mr. Leonard Cohen.
Oh, butterfly of love, oh, bird of peace, you're the razor.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Leonard Cohen. Yeah. Right now, George Harrison.
Bird of peace, butterfly of love. Anyone to cheer you.
Terrific. Right now, it's time to welcome old Grey Eyes himself, Mr. Frank Sumatra.
Oh, butterfly of love, my kind of bird, come and fly with me. Oh, butterfly of love, oh, bird of just like a couple of tots.
Mr. Frank Sumatra. But now, making his own way toward the microphone is Mr. Dean Martian. Dean Martian, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. Open up the stage. And now, Finally, the reason we're all here, the people you've been praying for. Would you welcome, please, Norris Davin and Gary Cribb. Yes, the sensational three and only Hee Bee Gee Bees. Woo!